Welcome to my MOTO Freak channel. Reaching the 300,000 mile mark in a modern vehicle is often viewed as a feat of mythological proportions, a holy grail of ownership that only the most dedicated or lucky drivers ever achieve. In an era where the average car ownership length is roughly 6 to 7 years, pushing a machine through 3 decades worth of average driving requires a shift in perspective. You're no longer just an operator. You are a conservator. Modern engineering is impressive, but it is also optimized for a specific lifespan, usually the length of the original warranty plus a few years of planned obsolescence. To break through that ceiling and keep a car running flawlessly without major heart surgery, like an engine rebuild or a transmission replacement, you must be proactive rather than reactive. Here is the comprehensive blueprint for taking your vehicle into the 300,000-mile club. The foundation: choosing the right candidate. While any car can technically reach 300,000 miles with enough money, the goal here is to do it without major repairs. This means starting with a platform known for over-engineered internals. History favors naturally aspirated, non-turbo engines with port injection rather than direct injection, as they suffer from less carbon buildup. Simpler transmissions, like traditional torque converter automatics or manuals, often outlast sophisticated dual-clutch, DCT, or continuously variable transmissions, CVT. If you already own your car, the die is cast, but knowing your vehicle's specific weak points allows you to over-maintain those specific areas. The lifeblood: fluids and filtration. If you want to reach 300K, you must ignore the manufacturer's recommended interval if it seems suspiciously long. Marketing departments often push for 10,000-mile oil changes to lower the cost of ownership in brochures, but engineers will tell you that clean oil is the cheapest insurance policy you can buy. Engine oil: the primary defense. Oil doesn't just lubricate. It cleans, cools, and prevents corrosion. Over time, oil shears, breaks down at a molecular level, and becomes saturated with combustion byproducts. For a high-mileage goal, stick to high-quality, full synthetic oil and change it every 5,000 miles. Synthetic oils resist heat better and flow more easily during cold starts, the moment when 90% of engine wear occurs. Never skimp on the filter. Use OEM, original equipment manufacturer, or premium high-efficiency filters that can catch smaller micron-sized particles. The myth of lifetime fluids. Perhaps the biggest lie in the automotive industry is the concept of lifetime transmission or differential fluid. In the eyes of a manufacturer, lifetime usually means 100,000 miles, the point where they expect you to buy a new car. For a 300K mile car, transmission fluid should be changed every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. However, there is a caveat: do a drain and fill, not a high-pressure flush. High-pressure flushes can dislodge debris and jam the tiny passages in a transmission's valve body. A simple drain and fill replaces about a third of the fluid, refreshing the additive package without shocking the system. Coolant and the cooling system. Heat is the primary killer of engines. When an engine overheats, the head gasket can fail or the cylinder head can warp, both of which constitute major repairs. Coolant becomes acidic over time, which eats away at the water pump seal, the radiator, and the heater core from the inside out. Flush your coolant every 3 to 5 years. While you're at it, replace the thermostat and the radiator cap every 100,000 miles as a preventative measure. A $20 thermostat can save a $5,000 engine. The rubber and the rigid, protecting the chassis. A car that runs perfectly but feels like a bucking bronco is a car you will eventually hate and sell. To reach 300K, the feel of the car must remain tight. Suspension and bushings. By 150,000 miles, most rubber bushings in the control arms and suspension are cracked or compressed. This causes alignment issues, which in turn wear out tires prematurely and put extra stress on wheel bearings and CV joints. If you replace your struts and shocks every 100,000 miles, you protect the rest of the chassis from the vibrations and impacts of the road. Alignment and rotation. Vibration is the enemy of longevity. A car that is out of alignment is fighting itself. This creates heat in the tires and puts lateral stress on the steering rack. Rotate your tires at every oil change and get a professional alignment once a year. This ensures that the energy of the engine is going into forward motion, not being wasted by scrubbing rubber against the asphalt. Mechanical sympathy. How you drive matters. You can change the oil every day, but if you drive like a getaway driver, the metal will eventually fatigue. The cold start protocol. The most critical 30 seconds of your car's day is the first 30 seconds after it starts. When a car sits overnight, the oil drains into the pan, leaving the top of the engine dry. When you start the car, wait at least 30 to 60 seconds for the oil pressure to stabilize and the oil to reach the valve train. More importantly, drive gently until the engine reaches full operating temperature. Revving a cold engine causes uneven expansion of the metal parts, which leads to premature wear on piston rings and bearings. Smoothness is longevity. Avoid flooring it from every stoplight and slamming on the brakes. Smooth inputs reduce the torque shock to the transmission and the engine mounts. Engine mounts are often overlooked, but when they fail, they allow the engine to move excessively, which can strain wiring harnesses, coolant hoses, and the exhaust manifold. The silent killers, carbon and corrosion. As cars age, they don't just wear out, they get clogged or eaten. Carbon buildup in GDI engines. If your car has gasoline direct injection, GDI, the fuel is sprayed directly into the cylinder, meaning it never washes over the intake valves. Over time, carbon builds up on these valves, choking the engine and causing misfires. Every 60,000 miles, consider a professional intake cleaning or a walnut blasting service to keep the air passages clear. This maintains fuel economy and prevents the engine from working harder than it needs to. Rust prevention. You can maintain the engine perfectly, but if the frame snaps in half due to rust, the car is dead. If you live in a salt belt region, washing the undercarriage in the winter is mandatory. Better yet, apply a lanolin-based or oil-based undercoating, like fluid film or wool wax, every autumn. Unlike rubberized coatings, which can trap moisture and accelerate rot, oil-based coatings creep into crevices and displace water and salt. Electrical health and sensors. Modern cars are rolling computers. An electrical gremlin can make a car feel unreliable even if the mechanicals are sound. Battery and alternator. A weak battery forces the alternator to work at 100% capacity constantly, which leads to early alternator failure. Furthermore, low voltage can cause phantom sensor errors and erratic shifting in automatic transmissions. Replace your battery every 4 to 5 years, regardless of whether it has failed yet. Clean the battery terminals to prevent corrosion from creeping into the wiring harness. Spark plugs and ignition. Worn spark plugs require more voltage to fire, which puts stress on the ignition coils. If an ignition coil fails, it can cause a misfire that sends raw fuel into the catalytic converter, melting it. Catalytic converters are incredibly expensive to replace. By changing your spark plugs every 80,000 to 100,000 miles, you protect both your coils and your exhaust system. The psychology of 300,000 miles. The reason most people don't make it to 300,000 miles isn't because the car died, it's because they got tired of it. At 150,000 miles, the seat might have a tear, the headlights might be yellowed, and the radio might feel dated. To go the distance, you must invest in the aesthetics. Detail the interior. A clean, fresh-smelling car is much easier to keep for a decade than one filled with crumbs and stains. Restore the headlights. Clear lenses make a car look newer and make night driving safer. Fix the little things. If a plastic trim piece breaks or a window switch becomes finicky, fix it immediately. When small problems accumulate, you begin to perceive the car as a beater, and you'll be less likely to keep up with the expensive mechanical maintenance. The 300K maintenance mindset. To reach this milestone without major repairs, you must redefine what maintenance means. You're not waiting for things to break. You are replacing them because they are tired. Asterisk belts and hoses. Replace your serpentine belt and all major coolant hoses every 100,000 miles. A burst hose on the highway can lead to a warp head before you even have time to pull over. The timing belt. If your car has a timing belt rather than a chain, this is the most important service in the car's life. If it snaps, the engine is often instantly destroyed. Change it every 60,000 to 90,000 miles, along with the water pump and tensioner. Fuel system. Use high-quality top-tier fuel to keep the injectors clean. Occasionally using a fuel system cleaner containing PEA, polyethylamine, can help remove stubborn deposits. Summary of the 300K philosophy. The path to 300,000 miles is paved with boredom. It is the boring task of checking your oil level every 2 weeks. It is the boring task of washing the salt off the fenders on a cold Tuesday in January. It is the boring discipline of not racing the teenager in the lane next to you. If you treat the machine with mechanical sympathy, understanding that every moving part has a finite number of cycles, and doing everything in your power to make those cycles as easy as possible, 300,000 miles is not just a dream. It is a mathematical certainty. Your car is a collection of systems. As long as you prevent those systems from failing catastrophically through heat, friction, or corrosion, the metal will endure. The most sustainable car is the one you already own. By committing to the 300K journey, you aren't just saving a massive amount of money on car payments. You're mastering the art of stewardship over the machines that power your life. Keep the fluids clean, the rubber fresh, and the RPMs low until the needle hits the H, and you'll find that your vehicle is capable of far more than the manufacturer ever dared to promise. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe, share, and support to the MOTO Freak channel. Be sure to visit my shop, MOTO Freak too. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.